Hi, this is a demonstration of Axway Amplify's IoT Device Incident Management System. Basically, what we've built in Axway Amplify is an incident management system for IoT devices. So I've got this AT&T IoT button. Imagine this is an insulin pump that can send messages to Amplify, one message being a warning that the battery level is starting to go low. Axway Amplify will notify the patient via Gmail and let them know that the battery level is low, and also send a link to the device manual so they can proactively replace the batteries. And it will also send a message to the manufacturer of the device called Applied Home Healthcare Equipment, and they will receive that message in Microsoft Teams. That's the support staff just being notified that there's a potential problem coming down the pike. The next message would be an error message, and that's when the battery is about to die. And again, Amplify will send an email message through Gmail with the device manual, but also it will create an incident, in this case in Jira, and it will send a link to that incident to the customer. And that same information will be sent to the manufacturer as well, so they can again start to proactively manage that incident. And then the last message that can be sent is the all clear, so the battery's been replaced, the device is in full working order, the message is sent, and then again, Amplify will notify the patient and the manufacturer that the incident is closed, and will also close the incident. We'll notify everybody that everything is in proper working order. So let's get started. Let's start with a warning. So I'll push this button. It takes about 30 seconds. We'll see it turn green. Let me take a look at it and I'll tell you when it turns green. There. Okay, so the message was sent, and now what I expect to have happen is a Gmail message will appear, and I will get a Microsoft Teams message. And we might see those notifications on the top right-hand corner of my screen, but if not, we'll just refresh the browser to look for our Gmail messages. Okay, so there is the Teams message. So again, this is so it's 2:40 and it's now 2:41, so this just occurred. And this is the message to the manufacturer who's responsible for supporting these devices. And you can see here, low battery warning, please check the battery in your insulin pump. An email with the device details and maintenance manual link has been emailed to the customer contact. Let me also check Gmail. I will click refresh here, and there is my email message. And dear Henry Smith, that's me, the patient. This is an automated email from Applied Home Healthcare Equipment. We've detected that your device has the following warning: low battery warning, please check the battery. And there's a link to the device manual in Syncplicity, or content collaboration system. So I can click, the patient can click on that, and they can review the manual and see how easy it is or how hard it is to replace the battery. Okay, so what I want to do is let me get rid of that. And now, let me also get rid of this. Now let's do the error condition. So that will be a double click. And again, this will take about 30 seconds for the light to turn green. That will let me know that the message has been sent. And there it is. So that was the error message. And again, I would expect a Gmail and also a Microsoft Teams message in the next few seconds. Well, there's my Microsoft Teams message. So now I'm on the support staff. So this is a more urgent error or message, an error. And I have the information about the device. I have the information for the manual. I do know that the customer was notified or the patient was notified, but I can also now view the incident. So if I go to Incident Management System, I can see this. Let's see when this was created. And this was created 40 seconds ago. So this is the same message, and it's a device error. So that is the incident that was opened automatically, and that link was sent to the support staff as we were just looking at Microsoft Teams. And I also have a new email here, and that's the error message. So, dear Henry Smith again, we detected that your device has the following error, not warning. The battery level on your insulin pump is dangerously low. Please check the insulin pump. And of course, they have a link to the incident as well. So now before we do the third message, let's just realize that this incident is in the to-do stage. So it's an open issue, right? So what I want to do now is I want to replace the batteries and reset the device, put it in the all clear stage. So I'll do a long press, that's 5 seconds. And I'll let you know when the light turns green. And there you have it. So that message was sent. So what I expect to happen here, again, the patient will be notified via email. There will be a Microsoft Teams message sent, there it is, to the manufacturer support staff, letting them know the device is updated. So the insulin pump is in proper working order. An email was sent to the customer contact. So if I come over to Gmail here, let me get rid of this error email. Let me refresh my list of emails and I can see the updated email. Your insulin pump is in proper working order. And again, if I click on this and go to the incident, we'll see that it's now closed. So if I go to open all issues, I will see that it's closed. If I go to open issues, it's not there anymore. So here we saw how Axway AMPLIFY can be used to implement an IoT Device Incident Management System. I showed you an example where this IoT button was an insulin pump, but it could also be a smart refrigerator at a supermarket where you'd like to know if the temperature is rising in the refrigerator because that could cause damage to produce, or it could be a bank ATM. So it really applies across verticals. It's really any connected device. And Axway AMPLIFY can manage the incidents and send emails and notifications and pass links to manuals around. Thank you very much.